GH-900 presentation. Equipment to camber correction. The equipment GH-900 is used to adjust camber angle on McPherson-type suspensions. With equipment GH-900 US, you can correct a positive and negative. Basically, it works using a support base that is attached to the hub wheel, and through a piston and hydraulic pump that bends the spindle knuckle and returns the original factory measurements of the vehicle. The correction can be monitored through a measuring ruler or using a camber gauge. Located in the city of Ituporanga in the state of Santa Catarina, Brazil, the GAHO company completed 27 years in the market, specialized in automotive equipment, having reached the of more than 80,000 products sold in Brazil. The GAHO invests in the conquest of new markets, and last 2 years it has been exporting to the Latin American countries, such as Argentina, Chile, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Panama, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Honduras, Guatemala, Mexico and Netherlands in Europe. With impressive sales growth, which demonstrates the great acceptance of the product in these countries. Equipment installation. To positive correction. After you got the alignment measurement, lift the vehicle and remove the wheel. Install the lever board. Leave the flat side to out. This offset is to avoid brake caliper. Tighten all the screws. Install the clamp bracket. Use the shaft extension for a positive correction. Install the hydraulic cylinder. Install the shaft extension, connect it to the cylinder, and clamp. Keep the clamp the most higher as possible. Pump to push until the lever becomes heavy. Turn the wheel inward or outward. Start to measurement with the ruler. Hold the ruler together with the lever board. Use the edge of the shaft extender as a reference. Each centimeter on this ruler equals 1 degree. The space on the edge of the ruler means the value of the elastic effect. Let us get start the correction. Pushing 1 degree. Okay, pushed 1 centimeter. That is 1 degree. Pushing the elastic effect. Okay, the elastic effect was pushed. This is that the strut will return staying 1 degree corrected. In the next sequence, you can see that the spindle knuckle is being bent, without compromise the shock absorber. We accelerated and repeat the images, so that can be seeing the acting of the equipment. The shock absorber stays straight because it has flexibility on the upper bushing, and it following the movement. The spindle knuckle is being bent because the main force is being applied there. The force is applied directly to the wheel hub, which bends the spindle knuckle. The shock absorber is used as a holder, and the center of the wheel is used as the center of the lever system. 90% of the force is applied in the hub wheel, and only 10% is applied to the shock absorber, so the shock absorber does not get damaged. The other point is that the way vehicle does is not acting on the components of the suspension. They can flexibility and help to avoid the damages to the shock absorber. To negative correction. Connect the clamp on the cylinder without the shaft extension. Pump to push until the lever becomes heavy. Turn the wheel inward or outward. Start to measurement with the ruler. Hold the ruler together with the lever board. Use the edge of the bolt as a reference. Follow the same proceeding for measurement. 1 centimeter equals 1 degree and considers the elastic effect. The worldwide market has a higher potential for this equipment because there are a huge amount of car repair shops. The demand for this service exists and is solved by other ways, such as camber bolt, or by the exchange of the parts involved. The equipment will provide a new type of service, a new option for car repair shops. In cases that the camber bolt does not solve, you can use the equipment. Otherwise, the camber bolt is not an effective correction and it may go out of the position through vibrations, or because the camber bolt has a minor diameter than the original bolt of the vehicle, being necessary to rework and make another alignment. The other advantage, in comparison with camber bolt, is the expenses for keeping it in storage. Make an account of the budget of the 1 year of the camber bolt. It's a lot of money, because it has several kinds of vehicle models. With the equipment GH-900, the car repair shops can make money, bringing a new option of the service, with higher quality to your customers.